Hey, and welcome back to the channel. Well, I'm playing on some patina on my brand new LMC front rock guard shield for the front of that 55 Ford. I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can make a fake patina only using 4 colors. And that is a brown, an orange, a red oxide, and a black. A red Scotch Brite, and that's all you need. So follow along and I'll show you the exact steps on how I make the fake patina look like real rust and how it looks this good and will look good on your truck as well. So join the 1194 video family, hit the subscribe and like button, hit the notification bell. If you have any questions on anything you see in this video, please leave a comment. Thank you for watching. You can spray your Scotch Brite and just dab it all over there where you want your rust to run. So that's all I've done just with my brown. So next, we're going to take some red oxide. This is red oxide primer. Using the same Scotch Brite, just put some on there and just dab it on there, just like you did with the brown. Using the same Scotch Brite here, I'm going to be using black. And that's going to make that effect start to change those 3 colors and turn it into that rust color. And the black. Using the same Scotch Brite, spraying it over and over again, you can get as much rust effect as you want. It's going to take a lot more prepping. Simply spraying and doing a lot of prep. But once you're finished, this right here is going to look just like it's real rust. Once it's under that clear, you won't be able to tell this part's been replaced. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to finish doing this entire panel and we're going to put this in some clear. I've got the grill painted. I've got this the deflector here painted as well. I finished all my patina the way I wanted it to look. So this right here is the outcome. So here's our piece that we patinaed. Now I know this isn't going to be a perfect match. It is the original color of the truck, but paint fades over time. So go ahead and slide this into place. You can see exactly how well that LMC part lines up. It's perfect with the original fenders. Okay, so there it is sitting in place. So there we have it. There's our grill. It's in there. It's looking really, really nice. I'm probably going to water sand the grill just a little bit. Did get a little bit of trash in it, but it's patina build, so it ain't that big of a deal. But there it is. Thing looks great. I've also got my new cups, new chrome to go in the front. I've got to get my bar in the back, put my emblem on, and get my bumper on, and then we'll tie all that in. There it is. Finally put together with the front end. It's now starting to look like a truck again. Alright everybody, thanks for watching the video on getting this front end done. Of course I had to go through the progress of painting it and everything. I still got to get my marker lights in for my turn signals, headlight wire and all that stuff. But that's little things down the line. But thank you for watching. Go ahead, become a member of the 1194 video family by hitting that subscribe, like, and notification bell. If you have any comments or questions over anything that you've seen in this video today, go ahead and leave a comment. I'll be sure to get back with you as soon as I get it. But thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next video.